Good morning. Welcome to breakfast with the Lorenzovic family. We have an obese feline who wants to get in on that omelet. And we have some vegan bacon, which Jeff is not a fan of, but I, Gina, am. And Jeff made an omelet with cheese and prosciutto ham, which he's going crazy about. Want to say anything, Jeff? Okay. And we have a little puppy who's just napping because there's a blizzard outside and she can't go poop. And the kitty wants to say hello.
Just dropped stuff on her head.
She's fine. Kitty. Kitty. Oh, that's so cute. All right. You want to say hello to the camera, baby girl? Oh, our little nubbin's wagging. All right. Welcome to the blizzard.